Hello everyone, this is my birds. Just take care of them. There's two babies, another one right here. There's the mama bird, and then there's food here. You can see there's some rice. Okay, there. There's some, where's my, okay, there we go. Water. There's another food over there. You can see the mama bird doing that. And you see the stick. Grandpa did. I don't think that's that much, but I just wanted to show you guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my dog. So bright. Lily, Rain. Oh, okay, here you are. Alright. Lily, there's Lily. I can't see her that much. Okay, wait. Okay, come on. Lily, okay, there you are, Lily. Lily, Rain. You're so cute. Come here. See all yellow? Rain is the boy. See that he's white and brown. Oh, they're still there. Okay, bye guys.